Start cleaning immediately after toilet repairs to prevent bacteria spread and lingering odors. Begin by ventilating the bathroom by opening windows and running the exhaust fan to reduce airborne contaminants. Put on disposable gloves and eye protection before handling any tools or surfaces you cleaned during repairs to avoid transferring grime to your skin. Remove and contain any visible debris like broken porcelain or old sealant in a sturdy trash bag. Then tie it closed and place it in an outdoor bin if possible. Disinfect all tools by scrubbing with hot soapy water, rinsing, and then soaking for 10 minutes in a household bleach solution made at 1 part bleach to 9 parts water, or use an Environmental Protection Agency registered disinfectant and follow the label contact time. Clean the toilet bowl with a toilet cleaner appropriate for your fixture. Scrub stains and scuff marks with a non-metal scuff pad, then flush and repeat if necessary for stubborn marks. Wipe down the exterior of the toilet, tank lid, seat hinges, nearby walls, and floor with disposable cloths soaked in disinfectant solution and work from the cleanest area outward to avoid cross-contamination. Common mistakes include skipping tool disinfection, which risks recontamination. Fix this by always designating a cleaning step for tools and soak them in disinfectant for the recommended contact time. Another frequent issue is using abrasive metal pads on porcelain, which can cause scratches that trap bacteria. Instead, use a non-metal scuff pad and a gentle cleaner and test in an inconspicuous spot first. People also often neglect hand hygiene after glove removal. Wash hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. Dry with a clean towel. And consider using hand lotion if skin becomes dry from repeated washing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse project ideas relevant to bathroom repairs. And we offer a discussion community where members and professionals share practical tips and post-repair experiences. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners seeking services and provide a place for ongoing conversation about best practices and troubleshooting.